Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send photos and TikTok messages. So first of all, head over to our TikTok and then you will then be on your For You page. Now, if we head over to our inbox and go to the message that we want to send, obviously a photo to, as you will notice, there is no way inside messages that we can do this. So the way that we can get around this and go ahead and send photo inside messages is if we head on back, click on the plus icon, and here is where you will now want to create a photo. TikTok, now you can add a photo from your gallery or you can take one. So click on this right here. You can then click on next and then you want to go ahead down and go to everyone can view this post. Click on this and then select friends. Only now, once you do this, you will then be able to click on post and then you will then want to head over to your profile, and then once you refresh your profile, once it has been uploaded and then once you have opened it up, what you would then be able to do is click on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, and here is where you will now be able to click on your friend from this list. Once you do this, you will then be able to click on send, and then once we click on send, if we head back and go over to our inbox, as you can see right now, I have sent this photo to this specific friend. So it's just that simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.